Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get a free trial of TradingView. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the TradingView website. Once you're on the homepage, click the Get Started button to view the available subscription plans. Next, you'll see different plans such as Essential, Plus, Premium, and other available tiers. Take a moment to compare the features and decide which plan best fits your needs. Once you've chosen a plan, click the Start Free Trial button directly below that plan. TradingView will then ask you to sign in or create an account if you haven't already. You can register with your email address or use a supported sign-in option such as Google. After signing in, you'll be prompted to enter a valid payment method. Although you're starting a free trial, TradingView requires billing information so your subscription can continue automatically if you don't cancel before the trial ends. Review the trial details carefully, including the trial length and renewal date, then confirm your subscription. Once it's activated, you'll immediately gain access to the premium features included with your selected plan. So that's basically how you can get a free trial of TradingView. That's it for this video. Thanks!